Hi friends, today I want to show something a little more different than the usual tooltips and exactly how to make, in our case, flowers and leaves come out from the face in very artistic way. The tutorial is very easy, stay with me and I'll show you. I found this image from my archives and I think it's perfect for the tutorial. First, let's cut part of the face with the pen tool. Select the pen tool and start making a selection. It's very important to match the curves of the face when make the selection. The shape of the selection is your choice and depends on the face of the model. Okay, I think the selection is good. Now right click and make selection. Let's the feather radius to be 1 pixel. Now with Control Command J, make a duplicate layer only with the selection. Now right click on the new layer and click select pixels and create a new solid color layer and pick some dark color. I'll pick somewhere from the face. Okay, let's move it below the cutted part. Okay, now click the cutted part of the face and with Control Command T we can change the size and rotate that layer. I will rotate it a little bit and move it to the right. I think it's good. Now let's add some thickness to the skin. Select the mask and pick the inner shadow. To more brighter color. Okay, let's zoom. I think it's good. Now let's add some flowers and leaves. I pick this flower. Let's add it below the cutted face. Again with Control or Command T, let's change the size of the rose. I think here is good. Let's add this leaf. I'll put it below the rose. Control Command T. I will flip it horizontally. Okay. Good. I'll move a little bit the face down. Now let's add another leaf here on the top of the rose. Control Command T. I want to put another rose here. We will select the existing one and with Control Command J we will duplicate the rose and move it on the top of the elements. Again with Control Command T. I will rotate it a little bit, maybe a little more smaller. Okay. I think it's too big. Also, we will duplicate this leaf with Ctrl Command J. Move it on the top. Ctrl Command T. Flip horizontal, okay. Think it's good enough. Maybe the first rows a little bit to the left. Okay, now let's add some shadows on the elements. In our case, the flowers and the leaves. I will pick the first rows and add some shadow. We will zoom a little bit. Let's see before and after. I think it's okay. Now let's copy the shadow to all elements. Right click on the element where we have already shadow. Click copy layer style. Select all the elements. Right click and paste layer style. Now we have shadows on all elements and look a little more natural. But also we want to drop shadow on the cutted face. Let's click on the layer, drop some shadow. I think no change necessary, it's good enough. Yes, okay. And we're almost done. Let's see before and after. I think it's good enough. But let's make some adjustments. This leaf below is too bright. Let's make it a little darker. Click on the layer and add a curves adjustment layer. Click this button to affect only the layer below and make it a little more darker. I think it's good enough. Let's see. Yes. Also, we'll make this leaf a little darker. Click on the leaf and add a new curves adjustment layer. Again, clip it to affect only the layer below. Okay. And I think it's very good. The roses are good. The colors of the lips and roses are very similar. And I think we're ready. Let's see before and after. It's good enough. Of course, you can use some different elements, maybe roses or spiders in some gothic images. Depends on your imagination. The tutorial is very easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you soon.